Welcome to College Week in My Life, guys. Today is Monday and I have finals this week. So ready to get them over with. I have one final today at 2:30. It is currently 1:13, so I'm gonna leave at like 1:45. Later my friends and I are going to go outside the Met because it is the Met Gala tonight. So hopefully we can see some people. So I'm just going to show you guys my outfit. I don't know why I look so nice for my finals, but I don't know, I just, you know, I'm feeling good. My jumpsuit is from IMGA. I'm going to wear my white boots. I'm just not going to put them on right now because it's 1:15. My hair up in a ponytail because I didn't feel like doing it, and I feel like my hair needs to be up since the neckline is so high and I don't have time to do like a sleek ponytail, so just threw it up. My sunglasses are from Princess Polly and I'm just wearing some hoop earrings. What my shoes look like on, if you guys were wondering, I had to roll up the pants because they're just way too long. So yeah, I'm going to go right now, just bringing a purse, and it's 1:30 and we're gonna go ace the final. How are you feeling on this wonderful Monday?
Get this final done.
He's on YouTube and he always opens it in class and you're always there.
Are you, wait, what teacher? I'll see you guys Friday.
Yes.
We're gonna do something fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
See you Friday.
Oh, see you now.
Bye.
Bye. Started at 2:30. Yes, this bitch is glowing in the dark. Oh wow. That's so funny. Not only is this reflective that we just discovered, but okay, you see this. Yeah, we have a little fanny pack kind of like inside of it, so that, yeah, there's a little fanny pack inside of it, but also there's like a little kangaroo pouch as well.
What is flying up in the air right now? Look, 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 look.
What?
Oh, there was so much more 5 seconds ago.
Walking right now to the Met, and we're probably not gonna see anyone, but
We're going.
I got
we're just
snack.
going. Yeah, Michael got some snacks. Look how cute, little balconies.
So wait a minute.
Heart? Heart. Oh.
Well, we're here. Here's the tent. So good. I love what it's wearing.
I love this look.
I don't know who that is though.
Yeah.
I can't even see. Look at the dresses. Oh, wow. Wow. Guys, we just saw Kim and Kyle. I'll insert a clip right here. Since Michael has long arms, he got like the best video of Kylie. So I'm gonna insert the videos right here of Kylie and Kim. And oh, we saw Tommy Hilfiger too.
Oh my god.
My man Tommy.
Okay, my hair is soaking wet, guys, but it's okay because I'm in a hurry. So I'm just showing you guys my outfit really quick. I'm wearing my Jordans, biker shorts from Boohoo, and then I don't even know where I got this like crop tank top. I think it's from Pretty Little Thing, and then I'm just wearing my black denim jacket over it, and I have on some necklaces, as you can see, and I'm going out the door. So Shay and I are meeting up. We're going to Daniel Guzio's sample sale. It's so exciting. We just left Daniel Guzio's sample sale and we all got really cute things. Everything was like 50% off in the store. No, like 75% off. So we had to buy everything. We're in Soho. It's like our second home. To eat right now. Where are we at? What is this place called? Spring Natural? Spring Natural. And we got some bread. Look how cute they brought it out for us. Ooh, this looks so bomb. Michael and I both got the same thing.
Except I got fries.
Except for you got fries and I got rice. And we got a chicken burger, and then we got a salmon burger over here. Why is it not in focus? Oh, there we go. That looks so good. So good. How cute the downstairs is. Oh my gosh. That's cool. Wait, this is actually so cool. Wow. Wait, where are we? What is this place called again? At the inside of the store. How cute. No one said. quiet because Michael is sleeping right now in my bed. But we just got back from, we went to Daniel Guzio's sample sale, and then we went to Helmet Lane sample sale. And yeah, so I got 2 things from Daniel Guzio. These pants. Shay is gonna get these, right?
Yeah, I might get those.
We're gonna go again tomorrow. These pants. They're black and red, and the stripes going down them. Super cute. And then I have the matching top already. I'll wear this tonight.
You should.
Oh my gosh, yes.
I'm wearing straight pants.
With my new boots. Oh my god.
Yes, bitch.
That's gonna be so cute. Okay, I just figured out my whole life. I got this satin bralette. It's red. I got an extra small on this, and then I got both extra smalls. But everything was like 50% off. Like, I think this is probably $100 online, and I think I paid $30 for it. And then I know these pants are like $180, and I ended up paying $45.
I think they might be more. I think they were like $225.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Like, what? I'm confused. Jenny got this bathing suit top, and it looks so good on. I'm gonna go back and get it because I have to. After I saw it on her, I was like, what?
$15.
$15. That's probably originally like $100 too. These are shoes Jenny got. Cute.
Okay, so I got this shirt.
The Youth of America. This is so cute.
It's like,
Oh, I didn't know it said anything.
yeah, it
Yeah.
says the Youth of America.
That's so cute.
It's
Yeah,
really,
so
it's really thick too.
It's like wool.
Yeah.
He's a photographer, I believe. I don't know, but
Yeah. How much did you
literally
pay?
$125, and it was $36. So
Wow, sample salesman are the way to go. Today's Wednesday, and I have one final at 11:30, and it is currently, it's 10:08. I'm going to leave in like 20 minutes, and then I have a presentation at 4:30, so I'm just gonna come back here and, you know, chill for a little bit. So I am looking not looking too cute. I just have on Adidas sweatpants and then this Adidas hoodie, my Raf Simons. So yeah, not too cute, but I'm just going to take my final and then come back and then change. I'm coming back here because I have to change because I have an event right after my last class, which is the class I'm doing a presentation for. And I'm gonna look cute for that class because I have an event after, okay, with Michael. So yes, I'm going to finish studying. I'm going to study a little bit right now, and then I'm gonna leave soon. So wish me luck, even though I'll already take it by the time you see this. So like walk my room, I'm like hagged. Well, it's not summer yet. We took our last final. Michael and I just have a presentation and then we're all done. But you're done. Summer.
Yeah, you have to
Michael and I are
with
getting
a surprise
noodles,
on the
so.
exam.
Michael and I are eating our noodles last time together. No one is up here though. So it's like our secret little spot today. I just got back from my exam, and right now, I stopped at CVS. Makeup wipes. I always put these, guys, put these in your purse. Oh my gosh. You never know when you need makeup wipes. Seriously. Sometimes I'll just sleep over at Michael's house, and I always feel bad borrowing other people's stuff. So I always like to have my own stuff, and also these are my favorite makeup wipes, and a lot of people, like, none of my friends have them, so I like to always put these in my purse. I stopped at CVS to get these little, like, thank you note cards. It just says a little note on it. I don't know, is that kind of weird because there's like a note on it? These were like the only cute ones they had. The other ones were really ugly. I'll show you guys. I started doing those Instagram giveaways. I mean, I only did one, but I plan on doing more. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I did like the 15-minute giveaway. If not, make sure you guys follow me so you don't miss out on another giveaway. It was so dark back there, okay? Instagram was like down below. The username was right here. It's just Paige Secosky. Just wanted to put a little thank you card in here. You can see, I don't know, I'm not gonna, like, most of the stuff is in here, but I need to ship this out. I'm going to work on the PowerPoint that I need to present for my last class, which is at 4 o'clock, and it is 2, so I have time. I just changed my outfit, so I'm just wearing my Nikes, and then I'm wearing these white biker shorts from, I don't remember. Wait, Misguided. Boohoo, Misguided. I think Misguided. And then I'm just wearing this white tank top from Meshki, and then I thrifted this jacket. I have an event after my presentation, so Michael and I are going to go together, and then my best friend Shay from home is coming to visit, so Michael and I are going to pick her up. So yes, let's go. We're all doing school. Oh my gosh, Michael. How do you feel?
Stress sweat is how I feel.
Okay, it is Thursday. Don't have classes today. School is out. You have Shay out here. Shay came to visit me. So cute. We picked her up last night, Michael and I. So right now we are going out and about. Oversized t-shirt from Harley that I thrifted, and then some biker shorts, and then I'm just wearing my Jordans. We're going to Garnier's headquarters because they wanted me to visit and they said they would give me some stuff, so that's where we're going right now. So cute.
No, a day. No, 2 days.
We just left and they gave us so much stuff. Our bags are full. We'll show you when we get back. Look, they're so nice. They both gave us so much stuff. So, okay, where we went wasn't just Garnier. They also had L'Oreal, Peter Roth Thomas, which I'm so, Peter Thomas Roth, which I'm so excited to try, and just a bunch of different brands. I never even heard of this brand. It's June Jacobs, and it's supposed to be like all natural, right?
Yeah,
or
no parabens or something.
Yeah. And Urban Decay, they own Urban Decay, like Bliss. They gave us so much stuff. So me and Shay are gonna go through it all right now, and I'm gonna sort. Obviously, I'm not going to keep all this. I'm gonna give it away too. But I just wanted to show you guys because everything is so, like, they were just so nice to both of us. So we're just gonna go through everything right now. It's Malibu pink hairspray, and we're gonna put it in my hair. So we'll see.
Wow, that's pink. Okay,
It's really
hold it a little
pink.
bit though. Like, make sure you get. It definitely said 7 to 10 inches away, but you're like 3.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Dude, it looks so good.
Oh my gosh, I want to dye my hair pink now. Oh my gosh, I love it. Shay, I should dye my hair pink. Shay and I stopped at Harper's Bazaar because, well, the Hearst Towers, I think that's what they're called. So my friends Emma and Michael intern there. So Emma got us a bunch of magazines because it's her last day, and Michael got me magazines previously. This one is so good. Love it. Oh my god, J-Lo. Look at J-Lo. This is such a gorgeous cover. I ordered this. Yeah, I want to show you. It's like a vinyl bikini top, and then it crosses at the, it like wraps around your waist and then ties in the back. It looks so cute.
The background like this. It's a vibe, yeah. It gets pretty focused.
The rooftop's not supposed to be open, but it's open right now, and I never showed it before in a vlog. This is my rooftop. I know, I'm so happy I get to show everyone right now. Oh wait, and then on this side, they were doing construction, but over here you can see Central Park. Oh my gosh, this is what I'm going to miss whenever I move, because this rooftop is amazing. Just did Shay's hair. Can you see? Okay, yeah. We just did her hair blue. Are we not? Tell me right now. Shark Boy and Lava Girl. We're meeting up with like Michael and everyone to go out to dinner. Uva for dinner. I believe it's called Uva. So I didn't end up ending my vlog from last week. We just ended up going out to dinner. I just didn't end my vlog. So this is me now ending the vlog. This is actually a new week and I'm doing another week in my life right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, well, this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this week in my life. I will see you guys in my next one. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!